Hi and welcome to this course. In this video, I'm going to talk about comment. So just go ahead and write some comment. Just scroll down. I am currently logged out. I'll write great and then name. I'll choose this name Tony and then Tony at abc.com and then I will post comment and then I will write another comment. So good name John at got.com and then post comment and I will write one more comment. So worst, let's just go with Dan and then Dan at abc.com and then post comment. Alright, now you can see that all the comments that we made are not visible on this website. Okay, we can see only the last comment that we made and it says that your comment is awaiting moderation. This is a preview. Your comment will be visible after it has been approved. So now we need to go and approve this comment because I was currently logged out. By default, the normal setting is such that if a viewer comments on your post, it will have to go through the approval process. So now let's just go ahead and log in into our dashboard. I hope you remember we have to go to wp-admin and here I will enter my username and then password and I will click on login and here you can see that we have 3 comment. I'll just click on that. And to approve the comment, you can click on approve. So just click on approve and then approve and then approve. And you can click on view post. Here you can see the post on which this comment is made. You can also see the time. And so just click on this view post. Just click on that. And here is your post and you have 3 comment here. Okay. Now what can you do? You can mark your comment as spam. So just click on spam and then this will move to spam. So just click on spam to see all the spam comment. You can mark it as not spam or you can delete this spam comment permanently. I will click on not spam and now it is in the approved section. If you want to delete this comment, you can click on trash. If you want to edit it, then you can click on quick edit and here you can quickly edit the comment. I will click on cancel. I don't want to do that. You can also click on edit and then this will take you to a page and here you can edit your comment again. I'm not going to do that, so I'll just click on comment here. If you want to, you can do that. You can also reply to all the comment in one place and this is the best thing about WordPress. You can just go to the comment section and then you can reply to all the comment. You don't have to go through each post individually and reply to all those comments. You can do all of that from here. So I will reply to this comment. I'll click on reply and I will write thanks and then I will click on reply and this comment has been added. You can see that it is in reply to John. So I'm replying to this comment from John at got. I can also reply to this comment. I will write thank you and then I will click on reply and then you can see that in reply to Tony, it means that this comment is a reply to the comment made by Tony. Now let's just go ahead and view it. So I will go to this page and then I will click on refresh. Here you can see that the comment that I made has been added. You can see that here and then you can see that here. Alright, let's just go to the comment section. If you want to delete multiple comments, you can click on the checkbox like this and then you can go to this bulk option here and then you can move them to trash. You can also mark them as spam. You can also approve. You can also unapprove. So you can do all kind of bulk action when you check or tick multiple comment. You can select all and then you can approve all comment like this, or you can also unapprove all comment like this. So let's just click on unapprove and then click on apply. And now if I go back to this post, you will see that all the comment has disappeared because I have unapproved all the comment. So now let's just approve all of them and then click on apply, and all the comment has been approved, and you can find all the approved in the approved section, right? So this is the approved comment section. All the comment which are approved will be here, and all the comment including the approved and the unapproved will be here. Right now we only have all the approved comment, so let's just click on unapprove, and now you have only 4 in approve and 5 in all. You can also click on this mine button, and here will be the list of all the comment that you have made. Alright, this is all that you need to know about comment. I'll just click on approve, and yeah, that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.